I've got a good woman at home who thinks I do no wrong. But sometimes, Lord, she just ain't always around. Don't you know that's when I fall? I can't help myself at all. 'Cause I get whiskey bent and hell-bound. Play me some songs about a rambling man. Put a cold one in my hand. 'Cause you know I love to hear those guitar sounds. Don't you play I'm so lonesome I could cry. 'Cause I get all balled up inside. And I get whiskey bent and hell-bound. Sure enough, around closing time, I'm stoned out of my mind. And I end up with some honky-tonk special I found. Just as sure as the morning sun comes, thinking of my sweet girl at home. And I need to get whiskey bent and hell-bound. Play me some songs about a rambling man. Put old Jim Beam in my hand. 'Cause you know I love to get drunk and hear country sound. But don't you play your cheating heart, 'cause that'll tear me all apart. And I'll get whiskey bent and hell-bound.